Hey everyone, today I will show you how we can download and install Figma in Windows. So first you want to go to your Google Chrome and type in Figma, and then you need to click on the download link here, and then when you're here you can just scroll down until you find this desktop app, and there are many versions, but for me I'm using Windows right now, so I'm gonna click on this Windows desktop app for Windows, and it should start downloading, and you can just wait for it to finish downloading. Alright, so it finished downloading and I can just click on the installer. Alright, so it is loading up right now. Okay, so there are a few options. You can log in and create an account, but I'm just gonna create a kind of account right now, and it should redirect you to a browser, and I can open a desktop app from the browser. You can just click open Figma. Alright, so it is opening. Okay, so now my Figma is complete and installed. If you guys have any questions, you can just leave down in the comments below and I'll try to answer all of it. Thanks for watching.